On a large enough land, build a small house with a swimming pool. This architecture does not utilize land area, but provides sufficient space as a home page. Residents of the house seem to want a comfortable atmosphere inside and outside the room. From inside the house, we can see out with a window that is wide enough. Kitchen, bedroom, family room are all available. Attractive with a stretch of grass, adds to the impression of a comfortable atmosphere to refresh the mind. This tiny house is like heaven.